Hello students, welcome to the biology world. In previous video we discussed about the kingdom Protista, which is given by the R.H. Whittaker classification. We discuss about R.H. Whittaker classification, which is give 5 kingdom classification. So we already discussed about the first kingdom, that is Protista kingdom. We also done Monera kingdom. Now today we discuss about the third kingdom of 5 kingdom classification, and that is kingdom fungi. Students, we all know about what is fungi. We already show that fungi is present in our bread, in our pickles, in oranges. So we are very understand about what is fungi. All the fungi are multicellular. It is multicellular organisms, but only yeast, that is the exceptional case. Yeast is unicellular organisms or unicellular fungi. Besides the yeast, all the fungi are multicellular. It is heterotrophic organisms. It is heterotrophic organisms. It is found in everywhere, like cosmopolitan. It is occur in cosmopolitan, like air, water, soil, animal and plants. Air, water, soil, on the plants and animals. Students, you know that very well-known example of fungi is yeast. Yeast is very much useful in our regular life. You know that we have to keep the food in refrigerator. Why? Because it is to prevent food from going to bad due to bacterial and फंगल इन्फेक्शन. सो हमारे जो खाने की चीज़ है उसको हम बैक्टीरियल और इस फंगस के इन्फेक्शन से प्रिवेंशन करने के लिए जितने भी फूड है उसको हम रेफ्रिजरेटर में स्टोर करते हैं. इन अदर फंजाई आर वेरी मच यूजफुल इन आवर डेली लाइफ साइकिल. In penicillium, it is a source of antibodies. Most of the antibodies are prepared in penicillium. In wheat, the wheat rust disease is present, which is caused by the Puccinia fungi. So fungi are useful as well as it is damage for our crops. Now we discuss about the body of the fungi. Body organization of fungi. The fungi is filamentous. It is long, slender, thread-like structure. Slender, thread-like structure. It is known as hyphae. The long slender thread like structure of the fungus body is known as hyphae. The network of hyphae which is known as mycelium. The long thread-like structure is known as hyphae. The network of hyphae is known as mycelium. Some hyphae are tube-like structure with nucleated cytoplasm, and this is known as choanocytic hyphae. So students, it is your 1 marks question. Define the word hyphae, mycelium and choanocyte hyphae. The long slender thread-like structure is known as hyphae. Network of hyphae is known as mycelium, and some hyphae are tube-like structure with nucleated cytoplasm, which is known as choanocyte hyphae. Other hyphae have septa and cross wall like structure is present in many hyphae. So it is the cross walls are present. So it is the body organization of hyphae. Now we discuss about the mode of nutrition of fungi. Which type of nutrients are present in fungi? So most fungi are haprophytic. Most fungus are haprophytes, which is absorb solid organic matter, in dead organisms. So it is known as saprophytes. In some fungus are depends on living plants and animals, which is known as parasites mode of nutrition. And some fungus is combined with algae, which is known as lichens, and fungi are present in higher plants of roots. It is known as mycorrhiza. These two are symbiotic relationship. So it is the mode of nutrition of in fungus. It is saprophytes because it is absorb the organic solids in dead organisms. It is parasitic mode of nutrition because it is depends on living plants and animals, and it is relationship with symbiotic relationship with algae and various type of fungus with the higher plants of roots, which is known as mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza is the very much important question in exam. Define the word mycorrhiza. So it is the most important question in exam. Now we discuss about the reproduction in fungus. Reproduction in fungus take place by various type. First is vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction is done by fragmentation, fission, and budding process. Asexual reproduction is done by various type of spores. Various spores are formed in asexual reproduction, and it is called as conidia. The spores is produced by asexual reproduction, and which is known as conidia. The spores are various types: sporangiospores, and zoospores. Asexual reproduction is done by various type of spores like sporangiospores and zoospores. These two spores are produced during asexual reproduction. Now we discuss about the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction, it is also done by various spores like oospores, ascospores, and basidiospores. Mainly three types spores are produced during sexual reproduction: oospores, ascospores, and basidiospores. And two types of spores are produced during asexual reproduction: zoospore and sporangiospores. The various spores are produced in distinct structure. These spores are produced in distinct structure, which is called as fruiting bodies. The spores are developed in various type of structure, which is known as fruiting bodies. Now we discuss about the sexual reproduction in fungus. This is possible in three main steps. It is involves in three main steps. Students, it is very much important question asked in examination, so be carefully understand. The first step of sexual reproduction is plasmogamy. This is the first step of plasmogamy. Fusion of protoplasms between two motile or non-motile gametes called plasmogamy. In sexual reproduction, first step is fusion of two protoplasms between motile or non-motile gametes. It is known as plasmogamy. The second step of sexual reproduction is karyogamy. Karyogamy. In karyogamy, fusion of two nuclei. Fusion of two nuclei, which is known as karyogamy. And the third step is sexual reproduction is meiosis. In meiosis, zygote resulting in haploid spores. So this is the three main step of sexual reproduction which is take place in fungus. First is plasmogamy, two protoplasm of two motile or non-motile gametes, then fusion of nuclei, and then these nuclei are divided and produce the haploid spore with the process of meiosis. So this is the three main step of sexual reproduction in fungus. In sexual reproduction, two haploid hyphae of combine and together and fuse. This is the simple process of sexual reproduction. But in some fungi, the fusion of the fusion of two haploid cells immediately. Two haploid cells immediately and fuse. The result is diploid cells is produced. Diploid cells is produced. In some fungi, the fusion of two haploid hyphae immediately and produce diploid cells. So it is the one type of sexual reproduction. And other fungi like Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes. In Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes, it is a class of fungi. So in these two classes, intervening dikaryotic stages take place. Intervening dikaryotic stages take place. In this stage, n plus n, that is two nuclei per cell is present. In one cell, in intervening dikaryotic stage, di means two, karyon means nucleus. In one cell, two nuclei present. So this process is known as dikaryon. This condition is known as dikaryon. Di means two and karyon means nucleus. Two nucleus present in per cell. This condition is called as dikaryon, and this process is known as dikaryiophase. Define the word dikaryophase. In ascomycetes and basidiomycetes, intervening dikaryotic stage means 2 nuclei per cell is present. This condition is known as dikaryon, and this process is known as dikaryophase. In fungus are divided into 4 main classes: ascomycetes, basidiomycetes, deuteriomycetes, and ascomycetes. So it is the 4 main classes of the fungus. This is discussed about in our next video. In today's students, we discuss about the basic structure of fungus. Fungus is also useful as well as it is very much infectious in our crop plant. So fungus are useful in antibiotics production, like penicillium. It is the one type of fungus which is used in antibiotic production. Puccinia, it is fungus which cause the wheat rust disease on wheat plants. So it is useful as well as destroy our crop plants. In other sides, we also discuss about the basic structure, body organization of fungus. The body organization of fungus is filamentous, long, slender, thread-like structure is known as hyphae, and network of hyphae is known as mycelium. Some myceliums have tubes-like structure with nucleated cytoplasm, which is known as choanocytic hyphae. Then we discuss about the mode of nutrition of in fungus. We discuss about the vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction in fungus. It is also your 2 marks question. Write down the short note on reproduction of on fungus. So 3 types of reproduction is take place. And now we discuss about the main 3 steps found in fungus during sexual reproduction. First is plasmogamy, second one is karyogamy, and third one is meiosis. It is also asked in 2 marks in examinations. Students, in this Sunday you have to biology test, and this chapter is very much important in 11th standard. So we include this chapter in Sunday's biology test. So very well prepare. Important questions are focused, and read and write carefully. Thank you, students.